Okay guys, we just went to the car wash. Preston's truck, his window does not want to go up. And he's trying to get a wash and we're going to go see what's wrong with it right now.
But why'd you take this out? I'm not, this is the Escalade. But look, I think it's the wires over there, watch. See, it gets stuck.
Yeah, the wires got caught.
But it should break the wire.
No.
Is there a thing back there? Is there a thing back there? What? Yes, spot. Like there's a parking? Yeah. Yeah. I'll just go back there.
That's my money, dad. Yeah, my bitch, she bad. All my niggas rich. I got work for cheap. Damn, I feel like me. Straight out the trap.
What? Yeah, there's a big old line.
Big ass.
Just to order.
I would recommend you guys not going, bro.
You really just ate my bread?
No?
I guess
There's no way getting that out.
Oh, not really. I'm scared. I'm traumatized over here.
And then look, when you're
And you know what hurts worse? Getting kicked in the balls?
No.
Yes, it fucking does. There's a scale. There is. It's proven. It's true.
It's proven.
No,
Yes, it is.
It's proven. Google this shit right now. Ask Siri.
Different pain, but is the intensity of getting kicked in the
153.
Exactly.
Oh.
Exactly.
You guys have it worse.
Let's try it right.
Hey guys, so we're at home right now, and these are where all the little cars meet up here in Tucson. I'm at home. Anyways, we're here for. Who's moving my truck, bro? We're at home, and we're gonna go ahead, walk around, and see what kind of car is here. And yeah, we'll take you guys along. This is where we parked. We got Jose, Güero, me, Ramon, and Junior. Look at all the cars. See that one there? It's pretty big parking lot. Let's go walk.
They're honking already. They're leaving.
They're leaving? Which way should we go, guys?
Let's go this way.
Yeah, right?
We're set at 8. I'm like,
look at this pink. This pink looks sick.
purple.
No, it's not.
It looks purple.
Is it?
What is this, pink or purple?
It's like pinkish.
It has like a purple tone though.
Yeah. This is nice. Alright, Preston, swing this bitch.
I would if I could.
What am I supposed to play though? What's the video? Is it already recording? Oh, it is.
No, just be on your phone already.
Well, what happens if like I can't get my phone out? So 4 seconds in your phone, and then another 4 seconds on your lip.
No. Oh my god, these guys are
I know.
So which one do I do first? On the phone or look at the phone? And then you said look at the phone. Which one goes first?
Why are they so complicated?
Yeah, and then after the
The election video.
8 seconds.
Oh, really? Así te portan también.
Another 4 seconds on your phone. So 4 seconds. And then I lean back after the phone. So 4 seconds. Okay. 8 seconds. 4 seconds. No, it's not 8 seconds.
Oh my god, first.
4 seconds to get out your phone. Don't worry about 8 come from. Don't fucking mention 8.
But it's gonna cover up the truck in the back.
Yeah, get closer to the pumps.
Goddamn.
What are you doing without it?
You gotta go. Madison said you gotta go. Madison said you need to leave.
We're just gonna take one more video, that's all.
She's not allowed to be up here with this. Guys, bringing this up here is way apart and stuff. They just pull over all the cameras. You guys have like 15 million cameras out here.
Yeah.
The fucking security officer QT was just like, yeah, no, it's dangerous, liability, get them out of here. Okay. I didn't say a word when you're doing stuff out here, but then you walked up to this and they're like, okay, they gotta leave, so sorry. QT says it.
Okay. Can we take this quick video real quick, Les?
Nobody can be up on there.
Okay, we will.
Oh yeah, no, we'll lose it. We'll put it back. As you guys see, we were at QT and we were trying to do a TikTok, and I'll put the TikTok up in the screen once it's done. And right now we just got kicked out. So we're at Progressive, gonna make the video again. Hopefully we don't get kicked out. We got the tricks lined up. We're just gonna fix them a bit and go from there. Should we move them a bit closer? Up to the line? Up to the line or where?
But I'll go in the back.
Can you see my sweater through the tent?
No.
No? Yes or no? I could. Yes or no?
Hold on.
Where's his head, dude? Where's his
So
body?
how are you guys gonna react?
So what do I do? Do I look around like that?
Yeah, just look around.
Yeah.
And then I'll just throw in a phone. And press, I don't know what press.
Preston, go like this. We're like that, like that.
Just act surprised, I guess.
Do I act surprised?
Tell us.
1, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. Preston! Like that. 1, 2, 3.
I'm just trying not to fall. I'm not even surprised.
Okay, I think we got it.
We got it? Alright, I'm gonna get the fuck out of here.
Now we gotta do one without the truck.
That would have been fucking funny. Throw right in there. Oh shit, that's where my stomach was. Hey, where'd you put? Bro, there's fucking dents everywhere. Right here, it's right here.
Burn out!
Guys, I dented the hood for a TikTok.
Tell them what you're gonna get.
Or is that
We haven't said that yet, so you guys, well, we gotta see how it looks first tomorrow. So guys, you guys might see some shit tomorrow.
It's the same hood.
Same hood. Guys, we're getting another stock non-HD hood, all right? But we'll probably maybe do a little test fit, see how it's gonna look.
I thought we came for an appraisal at
Oh yeah.
Progressive.
I accidentally totaled my truck by sitting on it. I've been doing TikToks for 2 fucking hours apparently, which is ridiculous.
Hey, it takes time, bro.
For one TikTok, that's gonna get 1,000 likes if we're lucky, and maybe 1,000 views if we're lucky. So guys, please watch the TikTok. He's gonna link it down below, probably up here somewhere. Yeah, but we did go to a little car meet, you know. We did a TikTok, just basically screwed around. We talked a bunch of medical stuff, and you know, the guys kind of got a shock about the real world. I didn't, because I get pussy.
Or we want to see Preston swing his truck.
Yeah, for real. We were supposed to go swing your shit.
Or do you guys want to just see us quit YouTube at this point? I mean,
Go swing it at Filiberto's right here.
if you guys want to see us get some shut the fuck up, dude. Go behind good, bro.
They already said that you get no bitches on 26s.
One fucking person said that, dude. Haters gonna hate, dude.
Stop!